Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we find the value of this fraction. Now we shall add by the rules of mathematics PEMDAS. According to the rules of mathematics PEMDAS, first we solve parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and then addition or subtraction. Multiplication or division we solve from left to right, and addition or subtraction we solve from left to right. Now we have one subtraction, one division, and one addition. Now, according to the rule, first we solve multiplication or division. Now we have division here, so first we solve division. So 8 minus 4. Now we solve it by the rules of KCF. K means keep first fraction, C means change division to multiplication, and F means flip the second fraction. Now we keep first fraction, so 4 over 1, and change division to multiplication and flip the second fraction, so they 3 over 2 plus 2. So the equation become 8 minus 4 times 3 give us 12 over 2 1 2 plus 2. So the equation become 8 minus, they give us 2 1 2 and 2 6 12. So 8 minus 6 plus 2. Now we have one subtraction and one addition. According to the PEMDAS rules, first we solve subtraction because we have in left side subtraction and addition. First we solve subtraction, then we solve addition. So 8 minus 6 give us 4 plus 2. So they give us 2, sorry, 8 minus 4, they give us 2 plus 2. So the answer is 2 plus 2 give us 4. So the final answer is 4. Thanks for watching.